Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to select who can duet with your videos on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. Then go to Privacy. Swipe up to go down. Under Interactions, tap Duet. From the top, tap Duet again. By default everyone can duet with your videos. If you select the second option, only the followers that you follow back can duet with your videos. And if you select the last option, no one can duet with your videos. Now choose the option which is suitable to you. So in this way, you can select who can duet with your videos on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.